flyer, the high flyer from the kingdom of the birds. High in the sky, where the clouds are free, birds soar above, where we wish to be. But did you know, some never land, flying for weeks across sea and sand. The Alpine swift, a marvel so grand, can glide through the air without touching land. It sleeps while flying, a magical feat, with wings that carry it through the sky's beat. For miles and miles, they ride the breeze, with no need to rest in the tops of trees. They chase the winds, both day and night, high flyers living in endless flight. Through storms and skies, they journey far, from mountain peaks to where oceans are. With eyes that scan the world below, they roam the skies where few dare to go. Their wings are strong, their hearts are light, they navigate by stars at night. The Alpine swift, with endless grace, travels the sky at a constant pace. No need for rest, no need for ground, they float through air without a sound. A high-flying wonder, they lead the way. In the open skies, they choose to stay. So when you look up and see birds soar, think of the swift and so much more. High flyers, masters of the skies, living their lives where the clouds rise. The high flyer, the wonder of the bird kingdom.